is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating a look that I posted on my Instagram. So make sure you go check that out at Juliana_AnnaBanana. It's an orange vibe, hence the shirt. For this video, I won't be speaking much because as you can tell, there's something wonky going on with my voice. I'm not sick and I'm in pretty good condition, so I don't know what it could be. I'm sure it'll pass, but that's okay because I'll be throwing in some music that you all can jam to. Meanwhile, you get ready with me and create this look, or be creative and create your own look. Before we get started, I want you all to stop and take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You guys, I have been putting out content lately and hopefully you guys like it. I mean, I've been having so much fun creating it. All right, I'll stop talking. But without further ado, let's get started to the video. All right, if you're an OG, you remember this. You guys all know that, or maybe not. If you don't, now you do. I usually do my foundation first, but for today's specific look, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow first because you guys, the glitter fallout is real. I'm gonna start with doing my brows with this brow pencil from Morphe. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. If you do create this look, tag me in your picture on Instagram. I would honestly love to see what you guys have created. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you can see more. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Stay tuned.